What's the meaning of battlecruiser? Battlecruiser. Battlecruiser.
Battlecruiser. Battlecruiser. A battlecruiser is a type of warship that emerged in the early 20th century. Essentially, it was a larger and more heavily armed version of a cruiser, designed to have the speed and maneuverability of a cruiser but with the firepower of a battleship. Battlecruisers were typically used for scouting, raiding, and attacking enemy fleets. They were heavily armored, with thick belts of steel protecting their vital components, but they sacrificed some of the armor protection of a battleship in exchange for greater speed and range. Battlecruisers played a prominent role in World War I, although they fell out of favor in the interwar period and were largely replaced by faster and more heavily armed battleships.